shout, shout.
He shouts loudly. He shouts loudly. She shouts for help. She shouts for help.
Whisper, whisper.
He whispers to his friend. He whispers to his friend. She whispers the secret. She whispers the secret.
Call, call.
He calls his mother. He calls his mother. She calls her friend. She calls her friend. Reply, reply. He replies to the message. He replies to the message. She replies politely. She replies politely. Respond, respond. He responds quickly. He responds quickly. She responds to the email. She responds to the email.
Argue.
They argue about the problem. They argue about the problem. He argues with his friend. He argues with his friend. Agree. Agree. He agrees with a plan. He agrees with a plan. She agrees with her teacher. She agrees with her teacher. Disagree. Disagree. He disagrees with the idea. He disagrees with the idea. She disagrees with him. She disagrees with him. Suggest. Suggest. He suggests a new idea. He suggests a new idea. She suggests a solution. She suggests a solution.
Advise. Advise.
He advises his friend. He advises his friend. She advises the students. She advises the students.